No.
Is about a love triangle and include a script for dialogue. Okay, guys, and so now we have to give it a vibe. Let's say Black American vibes. Black American vibe and accent. Okay. We're gonna make it short, so we need to specify also. So we're going to say in total it's five scenes for a 6 second scene. Okay, let's generate. So while it's generating, without wasting more time, we say give me a picture for the first scene. Okay, we're going to click after it's done loading. Yes, now it's done. So the reason we requesting a picture, it's because we want to use the picture for a reference to make sure that it matches our prompt from ChatGPT. So we're going to take this, we copy this one, say copy, and then visuals for scene one, we copy this one, say copy. Okay, we need to copy everything first, guys, because we need to make sure that when we get to the website, we don't come back here. Okay, here's our picture for the first scene. We're going to click, oh, my network. No, it's not network, guys, because this is not the first time this is happening. Okay, let's screenshot. Okay, now we go to the site that we're going to use for generating our scene. So as you can see, guys, we have Grok image in here. So let's click here. There are other models, as you can see, as we have Sedence, Helu, we have Clean, VO3. So yeah, you can choose anyone you like. So for this video, we're using Grok. Okay, you swipe to the right. Yes, so we get this page so that we can include our aspect ratio. Let's say for YouTube, that's what we're gonna use. Then we're going to put 480 here. Then we need our picture here. We're going to upload. It's done. We have our picture in. It's a 6 second video, as you can see. So now, guys, here at the top, as you can see here, it's 100 credits. You get credits each day. So what we're gonna do is we going to use our credits, and when we used all our credits to create our videos, for you to get more credits, you just log out here. You see where it's written log out? You log out, and then you log in with another email address, then you get more credits. So you can create as many as you want and get the job done. Okay, so now we going to put our prompt here that we copied from ChatGPT. This, then we also include the visuals in the script. Okay, yeah, now we inserted our prompt, and here we've got our reference picture ratio 6 seconds. So now we click generate.
You really out here playing house with her like I don't exist?
Nala, chill. Not right now.
You really out here playing house with her like I don't exist?
Nala, chill. Not right now.